I'm gonna do a quick oil change on a Hyundai Tucson today using this pump. First thing you want to do is remove the oil filler cap, whatever that's for the engine. That's gonna let the air in as the oil evacuates from the engine so it doesn't create a vacuum. In cold weather, before you change your oil, you probably want to run the engine a little bit to warm up the oil so it flows easier. Another thing you want to check is the condition of the oil. If it looks too dark, you probably want to change the filter too because the engine is running too dirty. This one is still looks acceptable, so we're gonna only do the oil change itself. The other things you're gonna need is an empty container. Have your type of oil you use ready and funnel. The empty container is good for recycling oil. On some cars, like certain types of Mercedes, the amount of oil coming out is usually more than 5 quarts, so you probably want to use a larger container. So check your car spec to see how much oil it takes for the engine. This pump has a on-off switch. Before you hook it up to the battery, just make sure it's set to off. Then hook up the pump to the battery. Naturally, red goes to positive. Oh. And then it goes to the ground. See if it works. Yep, good. Take the smaller tube and insert it into the oil level check stick hole and push it all the way down. And the other end of the tube goes into the container. Turn it on, just let's see what happens. Looks like it's working. So looks like it's gonna take a couple of minutes for it to suck all the oil out. You have to kind of reposition the tube once in a while to make sure that it sucks all the oil out from the cavities. So it looks like it's done. Let's make sure on the container's oil level that it looks about right. Yeah, it's almost full. So I think this vehicle takes about, I don't know, 4.5 quarts. So it looks like it's got most of it out. So next all you do is remove the battery clips, pull the tubing out, So next you just refill the oil. So when you refill the oil, just pour just below the recommended amount of oil, you know how many quarts go in there. And when you get close to the recommended level, just wait for the oil to settle down and start checking the oil level with the oil stick. A little more. After it's all done, make sure the oil filler cap is replaced and tight, and also the stick finds its way back. And just run the engine a little bit and look for any leaks or abnormalities. I doubt that there is going to be any, but you never know. Just check it. Thanks for watching. Take care.